Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm Argent Leo, and today we're starting a new experiment. This is Argent Leo's Learning Lab. So this is my learning channel. What I'm doing on this channel is I'm conducting experiments across my existing channels to help my main channel get more subscribers, gain more traction, hopefully become more popular than what it is, and hopefully I can reach YouTube fame someday. I want to take you guys on that journey with me, and that is why I created the Learning Lab. I'm currently running 3 experiments on this channel already. Let's get into the start of today's experiment. So this experiment will be conducted over the next 3 months, and it's got to do with my shorts channel. On my main channel, on Argent Leo's gaming channel, I do have long form videos and I do have shorts videos. Taking into consideration what I've learned from doing shorts on this channel for the past
4 years,
I'm going to take that onto my new channel and try to make this channel successful in the next 3 months. Let's get into this channel. So I've already got it open on this tab. So if we look at this channel, it was active in the past, and then I completely stopped posting on it, and then I revived this channel last month. And since I've done that, okay, so that's 90 days. So we'll just look at that subscriber count. So since I've done that, in the last 30 days, I've got 255 subscribers. So that's in the first month of reactivating this channel that's otherwise been dead for months. So that is actually quite a good result. And if we look at the momentum, I'm hoping that within the next 3 months that we can actually reach at least 1,000 subscribers within the next 3 months, and hopefully reach
10 million.
That is required to have a shorts only channel monetized. How I'm promoting this channel is basically I load 5 to 10 videos, shorts videos, on this channel daily. I give it 48 hours for the YouTube algorithm to pick it up and distribute it as how the normal shorts algorithm would do that. You know, the test audience of my particular niche, it's about 450 views or 450 people. And if the video is any good, then it will get pushed out to more. And if it goes beyond 450, I want you guys to consider
The 4 years
that I've been running this channel. So I'm taking experience from this previous channel that I've got, which is in a similar niche. And what I've learned is that in my niche, my test audience is 450 viewers or views. And if I get more than 450 views, if I get 500 and up, then that video has got a potential of being showed to people again within the next 3 months. If it doesn't, that video dies and it only gets pushed out to people or viewed by people that would either search it, or for some strange reason that video gets pushed out. So it's not guaranteed. And I've got a lot of videos on the previous channel, and I want to see if this tactic works. So what I'm doing is I load 5 to 10 videos daily on this channel. I give it 48 hours for the algorithm to decide what it's going to do with that video. Below 450 views within 48 hours, I privatize that video. I've got a lot of shorts that I create, and I privatize that video, and then I load new shorts. I could possibly try to change the title and description of that shorts and give it another 48 hours to see what will happen. But the tactic that I'm using is trying to get this particular channel to 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within the next 3 months. And looking at how many subscribers I've managed to gain in the last month, I think it's a fair bet that it could possibly happen. That is what I'm doing to this channel at the moment. I will be posting the result of this experiment within the next 3 months. If it happens sooner, great stuff. Then the results will be posted in a new video, link to this channel over here somewhere sooner than 3 months. And I'm open to suggestions. I actually started this education channel because I've not reached the success that I would have liked to on my main channel, and I'm hoping that starting this channel gives me another angle to look at YouTube, another niche to look at, another niche to learn, and I'm hoping to get feedback from the community, fellow YouTubers that have maybe got stuck in the situation that I am, where I don't feel that I'm growing fast enough. I'm hoping that I do get comments from fellow YouTubers, maybe tactics that I can try. I've got the resources to conduct the experiments and I'd like to do them publicly. It will give me an opportunity to expand the content on this channel and learn and have fun. Hope you guys do enjoy this sort of content and will consider subscribing. If you've reached the end of this video, you may want to check out this one.